Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add funds to your crypto.com wallet. First of all you have to do is open your crypto.com application on your phone. Once the app is opened, you will see a transfer button on the top. You have to click on transfer. Now you will see two more options, deposit or withdraw. You have to click on deposit. From here you have two more options, crypto and fiat. You have to select fiat. Now it will ask you to set up a new currency. Now once the currency has been selected, you have to select ACH bank transfers, or you can also have a bank transfer. So all you have to do, you can select either of the options. In my case, I will select wire transfer. I will click on details. Now it will show me all of the details of the crypto.com banking account or bank account kind of information. To make it easy, you can select the option called send all account info to my email. It will help you in copy and pasting the details, and it will take like 2 to 3 business days, and after that your funds will be added to crypto.com wallet. And that's how you can add funds to your crypto.com wallet. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe.